It's Sunday. Time to reset your income goals, your plan, and your focus. This is your wealth reset routine, the one I rely on every week to maintain clarity, reduce stress, and grow strategically. Think of it as a system update, clearing out the clutter, reviewing what's working, and stepping into the week with a clear strategy rather than chaos. First, let's review what made you money over the past week. Take a moment to reflect on your income sources. Did freelance gigs, product sales, or affiliate links bring in actual revenue? Which platforms or posts drove the most traffic? Identify the tasks or projects that felt like they had momentum. Open your Stripe, PayPal, Gumroad, or Fiverr dashboard and take stock of your wins, no matter how small. This reflection will guide your focus for the upcoming week. If something worked, consider doubling down on it. Next, it's time to clean up that mental clutter. A cluttered mind cannot build wealth. Write down everything that's been weighing on you. Unanswered messages, tasks you've been avoiding, or content you intended to post but didn't. Organize these thoughts in your planner or a digital tool like Trello or Notion. Think of this as clearing the tabs on your brain's browser, allowing you to operate with focus and intention. Now, let's plan 3 money moves for the week ahead. You don't need to hustle around the clock. Instead, focus on the right 3 actions that will genuinely grow your income. Consider launching that digital product you've been sitting on, even if it's not perfect. Reach out to 3 potential clients, collaborators, or affiliates. And don't forget to batch create and schedule 5 days of value-driven content that builds your authority. Each task should be directly connected to income generation, not just busy work. Finally, take a hard look at your income stack. Assess all your income layers. Are your products converting? Is your freelance work still paying off? Has your traffic increased or slowed? Use a spreadsheet or tracker to evaluate performance. Decide whether to double down, pivot, or drop something entirely. Remember, your income stack only works when it's optimized weekly. Treat it like a living machine that requires regular maintenance. Most people hustle without direction, leading to burnout. But you're different. You're running a system. Use Sundays to reset your brain, your business, and your bank account. You're not just working, you're building something meaningful.